Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best gate brace is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components for ensuring the safety and longevity of your gate, whether it's a heavy wooden gate, a sturdy metal one, or anything in between. This video will delve into the critical aspects of choosing the right gate brace, covering everything from material selection and structural integrity to installation techniques and long-term maintenance, empowering you to make an informed decision and avoid costly repairs down the line. Number 5. National Hardware N192-211. This kit is your solution for sagging gates. It's designed for exterior use and built to last. It's made of heavy-gauge cold-rolled steel, ensuring superior strength and durability. This makes it perfect for withstanding daily use. Installation is a breeze with the included instructions and mounting hardware. You'll have your gate back in perfect shape quickly. It features weather guard protection, so it can withstand even the harshest weather conditions. Corrosion is no match for this kit. Everything you need is included: top and bottom brackets, rope clips, cable, turnbuckle, and mounting screws. It's ready to install right out of the box. It can be installed on gates with up to a 7.5-foot diagonal brace. This ensures it works for a wide variety of gates. We stand behind our product. This kit comes with our limited lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind. The zinc plating provides additional protection against the elements, ensuring long-lasting performance. It's a smart investment for your gate. What we like. If you need a durable and weather-resistant solution, this is a great option. It's built to last with heavy-duty materials and a lifetime warranty, ensuring your gate stays sag-free for years. If you prioritize longevity and protection against the elements, this kit is the perfect choice for your gate. Number 4. True Latch 8-foot Gate Brace. It's quick and easy to adjust your gate whenever needed. No power tools are required, just a wrench for simple adjustments. This brace is strong enough to lift and support even the heaviest gates. Installation is surprisingly simple and takes only minutes. You'll save hours compared to other methods. A cordless drill, socket adapter, and wrench are all you need. This brace is designed by professionals for DIY homeowners. It's a simple solution for lifting heavy gates, eliminating the need for expensive service calls. Its solid steel construction provides superior support. It's the best solution for adjusting, lifting, and straightening sagging gates. It's easy to install and adjust, saving you money compared to other solutions. Avoid flimsy alternatives that can damage your gate. We're confident you'll love this product. If you're not completely satisfied, you can return it directly to Amazon for a full refund. We stand behind our quality. What we like. If you value ease of use and quick adjustments, this is the one for you. It allows for tool-free adjustments, making maintenance a breeze. If you need a strong and easy-to-install solution for even the heaviest gates, this kit will save you time and effort. This is perfect for DIY enthusiasts who want a hassle-free solution. What people say. Fixed our sagging gate right away. Very easy to install, took me and one other person about 10 minutes to put it together and put it on the gate after watching the installation video. Very solid and durable. Not only does this brace keep a gate from sagging, but it keeps the gate from sagging for years. This saved my large gate. I really liked the instructions, which were clear and gave a few different ways to install. The product itself is heavy-duty and well-made. Number 3. Rocky Mountain Goods Anti-Sag Gate Kit. Is your gate dragging on the ground? This kit provides the extra strength and support you need to fix it quickly and easily. It's made from extra-strength zinc-plated steel, built to withstand even the harshest weather and the heaviest gates. This outdoor-rated design resists rust and corrosion, ensuring years of reliable performance, no matter the conditions. With our easy-to-follow instructions and all the necessary components included, you'll have your gate back in perfect working order in no time. Everything you need is right here: heavy-duty cable, turnbuckle, hooks, and all the necessary screws and clamps for a complete repair. Say goodbye to squeaky, sagging gates. It will restore smooth and effortless operation to your gate. What we like. If you have a heavy gate and need a strong, reliable solution, this kit is perfect. Its extra-strength steel and rust-resistant design ensure long-lasting performance in any weather. If you're looking for a durable and easy-to-install kit that can handle the toughest conditions, this is the one for you. It's ideal for those who want a long-lasting solution without compromising on ease of installation. What people say. Pretty easy install. Worked as expected. It came the next day and it was a breeze to install. It lifted the gate right up where it needed to be. Everything is working perfect now and the gate hasn't sagged a bit. It is installed on a 412 foot by 6 foot tall pressure-treated lumber gate. My gate no longer sags and I am very happy about it. Number 2. 10-foot telescopic gate brace. This innovative brace provides superior support for large wooden gates, preventing sagging and ensuring long-lasting performance. It's the perfect solution for maintaining the integrity of your fence. Its telescopic design allows it to adapt to various gate sizes, offering a customized fit for your specific needs. No more struggling with gates that don't quite align. Installation is quick and straightforward, saving you time and effort. It's designed for easy use, even for DIY enthusiasts. Made with high-quality materials, it's built to withstand the elements and provide years of reliable support. It's a robust solution you can depend on. Say goodbye to sagging gates. This brace provides strong support to keep your gate looking its best and functioning smoothly. Enjoy a secure and well-maintained fence. This brace is proudly made in the USA with a patented design, ensuring superior quality and performance. You're investing in a product built to last. What we like. If you have an extra-large gate, this telescopic brace is your solution. It extends to fit various gate sizes, providing support for even the largest and heaviest gates. If you need a strong and adaptable solution for very large wooden gates, this patented design is a must-have. It's perfect for those with oversized gates that need extra support. What people say. I have had this product on my gate for over a year and it has worked great with no need for adjustment. I have a large 10-foot wood gate for the driveway that gets used many times a day and the product holds up. It was very easy to install and works much better than the cable. It is well made and so easy to install. The first one took me 10 minutes and the second one took me 5. Number 1. Hardware Essentials 851362 Gate Kit. Is your gate sagging and looking worn out? This kit provides a simple solution to reinforce and restore your gate to its former glory. It's perfect for both interior and exterior use. It's built to last with durable steel construction and a zinc finish for superior rust and corrosion resistance. You can trust it to stand up to the elements. Installation is a breeze. You'll only need a few basic tools, a pencil, drill bit, and a Phillips screwdriver. Simple steps for a strong result. This kit is designed to reinforce gates up to 7 feet in length, making it suitable for a wide range of gate sizes and applications. Say goodbye to that annoying sag. Whether you need to fix a gate inside your home or outside in the yard, it's ready for the job. Its versatility makes it a must-have for any homeowner or DIY enthusiast. It's made from heavy-duty steel, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliable support for your gate. You'll get years of use from this kit. What we like. If you need a reliable anti-sag solution for both interior and exterior gates, this kit is a versatile choice. Its durable steel construction and zinc-plated finish provide excellent protection against rust and corrosion. If you are looking for a durable, versatile, and affordable solution for your gate, this kit is a great option for both indoor and outdoor use. What people say. I applied this to my gate, and it made it open and close easier. This works as designed, pulled my gate back up into place. I have a couple gates I use these on. They work great and can be adjusted as time goes on and in between winter when ground freezes and posts move a little. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.